In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on See More and select Marketplace. Once you're in Marketplace, tap on the profile or user icon in the top corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your Marketplace activity, including your active and saved listings. Under Selling section, you will find the option of your listing. Tap on that. This will show you all of your listings on the marketplace. Tap on any to see how the listing appears to potential buyers. If you want to a new listing, click on Create Listing option. From there, you can enter the title, price, description, photos, location, and other details. Once done, save your new listing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view and create Facebook Marketplace listings. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.